Hello and welcome to the Russian Traders channel. My name is Vladimir and I welcome you guys. If you're watching me for the first time, make sure you're subscribed because here we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits today. So you definitely don't wanna miss my future videos. So let's get started, okay?
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
Here we have right now 55. Yeah, let's start and open a buy trade at the moment. So what's happening over here? Well, first of all, working with this kind of indicators, basically these are one of my favorite ones. For example, if you take a look at Vortex, we opened the trade at a very cool time point because here it was the intersection, which can of course after that behave in several ways, alright? But here we have a pretty obvious beginning of the upgoing trend right now if you take a look at the Vortex. If you take a look at the zigzag, you will also see that right now we will form the local, the very local maximum, I mean new point, okay? And if you take a look at the alligator as well, you will see that right now we have a pretty strong upgoing trend as well, and in combination, only in combination, guys, you can read all these indicators to get the clear picture of the market and the trend itself. Here we see the obvious picture. You see it? Upgoing trend, very obvious. And the first trade close, $105. Well, great, really great. Finally, I will buy myself some vodka today. Alcohol is bad. Okay, let's, but I like it. Let's move on to the next one trade. Alright, let's see. Buy trade because the trend is growing up right now. Well, what can I say? Here Vortex is giving us a pretty obvious signal to go up, okay? Here we have a pretty obvious signal from Vortex first of all. Meanwhile, what about a zigzag? If you take a look, we had reached some lower point, okay, not so long ago, and right now with the graph is growing up, we will have in the nearest future the new local upper point, okay? Well, here, if we take a look at alligator, okay, if you take a look at alligator, what can I say? Here also pretty obvious trend of upgoing of the division of the prices growing up, and again in combination, they all work only in combination, guys. And you see right now we have this very strong candle forming, and that's exactly what I was talking about when I was talking about the zigzag and forming a new local upper point, okay? And here we have our profits, $202, because why? Because we opened the buy trade at the very right point of time, and I'm always telling you guys, you should open the trade at a very you should pick the right moment, okay? If you think watching my videos, if you think that I am just trading, hustling over here, let it be, no, guys, you see it by yourself. Sometimes we need to skip some pairs because the situations are not quite predictable, okay? And picking the right time is 50% if not even more of success, okay? And the other 50% of success is theory and practice. And what about theory? Well, I'm here to help you out, because here in my Telegram channel, the link is down below, you will find all the useful information. Pretty obvious signal. Take a look at Vortex. This red line is on top, which means that the sellers are on the market, on the scene right now, and right now we will have a very strong division of the price going down, okay? Meanwhile, if we take a look at the alligator, quite opposite situation to the previous trades. When we had upgoing trend, here we have downgoing trend, okay? And here the zigzag also is telling us that we are still falling down, no possibility to predict any improvements, I mean, to the side of the price of growing up. No. All three indicators, they're just, I don't know how to tell it to you guys, they're just screaming that the trend is falling. So this is another one story about picking the right moment, okay? Well, that's exactly what I'm sharing my knowledge about in my Telegram channel, and the link is down below, and make sure you take a look because it's totally free. All for you. Take it, use it, apply it, make huge profits. Very simple scheme. And bang! It's closed, 383. Well, yeah, very good. Very good. I like it. Well, trading is not about the emotion, guys, but sometimes when you know what to do, when you do it and when you succeed, you may afford yourself to be happy just a bit. Okay, well, right now I already see it and I will explain it to you right now. We just need to pick the right time, and here this is the time when the graph starts to intersect with the... Just a second. Yeah, great. When the candles, downgoing candles are starting to intersect with alligator, is one of the best moments you can open a sell trade when you see such kind of graph. And here, what telling about alligator, if we started already, let me continue that right now we see you see how the division of all of three of them are changing, all right? And here it was already changed when we entered. I just noticed it because I already faced it, and it's again about theory and practice, guys. So here the alligator is giving us pretty clear signal. The vortex, not clear, because here, taking a look at the vortex, if you're newbie, you can see that right now is pretty strong upgoing trend, but what I'm always telling you guys, you should consider all of them once at a time. And even if the market was overbought right now at the moment, which is vortex showing us, doesn't mean yet that the division of the price will go up and we got the trade close with 729 profits. How do you like it? Right now the trend is growing up. The trend is going up right now. And this is the situation when really all three indicators are giving us the pretty same information, which is, I never say 100% because there is no 100% over here, because this is the market, this is the high volatility market. But here this is the situation when all the three indicators are telling us a pretty obvious story. These indicators are telling us a pretty obvious story, and all you need to do is to listen carefully, okay? And here, listening carefully, we entered with a trade at a very right period of time, and right now I guess we will have really huge profits from this one trade as well. And you see vortex already started its division as well. Well, all three indicators, all three of them, I really like them. I really like this combination also, alligator, zigzag and vortex. They work just great together, but you should pick indicators for your needs, for what you feel works best for you. But for me, they work pretty good enough to bring 1300 in 1 minute. Not bad. Not bad. Well, I guess I don't even know what to say here else, because everything is obvious, guys. If you want some extra knowledge, some extra signals, by the way, also in my Telegram channel you'll find signals, also free. If you need it, you know what to do. Make sure you check out the link. Not right now, not now after the video, because here I think we may have some fun yet with another one trade. Here's the downgoing trend. You may try to explain by yourself. I think that if you're watching me not for the first time, you already know what's happening over here. Here, the alligator, pretty obvious downgoing trend. We love three of them. The alligator, pretty strong downgoing trend, forming a new local low point. With the vortex, the same situation in the intersection, which means that we had we will have the change of the powers right now, okay? And but in the nearest future, here we have an upgoing trend, the downgoing trend for the price to fall down, okay? And again, all three indicators. Yeah, it happens sometimes that all of them three are telling us the pretty obvious picture, but that happens not always. That's why basically I'm here sharing my knowledge with you guys, because not always such kind of situations you are not that lucky to catch all of them, okay? Sometimes the market is much harder and much more difficult than this, okay? This one is pretty easy. 2090, great. I guess we can close Traders Day. Here we have 2355 for starting with, you remember we started with only 55. Well, how do you like it? 10 to 15 minutes and we're done. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, because yeah, I really like sharing this content with you, and what's more important, I really like trading. And if you feel like you're not about trading, it's not making you cannot cope with that, don't start. But if you're enjoying, I'm happy, then check out my link. The link is down below to my Telegram channel. Enjoy the content over there. Make sure you are subscribed, by the way, and make sure you leave a thumbs up, because this will help me create even more useful content for you guys. See you in the next video. This was Russian Trader.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.